So I got one of the most oldest things in the world. Like, it's like this is like the 1980 Rubik's Cube, and guess what I got? I'm gonna unbox this at home. It's one of the best, but the GAN 12 already released, but I got the GAN 11 and Pro. I don't know what texture it is though, so we're gonna concentrate on this one. So first, let's just let's just get it out of the packaging. It's really hard. I'll pause the video. Okay, I made a hole. Now okay, that's the really old box. Okay, so oh my gosh, I already did the first one. Yeah. Let's just how do I even hold the camera? But I'll do first. Yep, it does have that weird clicky feeling. They get world record with 21 on this. Let's do checkerboard pattern. Let's see what happens. That looks really weird. At least red and orange are different. So most kids will know that this is impossible. But this is like the Japanese color scheme. Doing a sexy move is not even possible on this, I swear. Yep, that's not possible. But this is a really old puzzle. So yeah. It's really cool. It's like really nice. Oh, yikes. So yeah, it's very old. So yeah, I'm very sorry that it's very low quality. Now I'll be doing a solve on this. Okay, I don't have a cube timer, so yeah. No thanks. No thanks. Okay, so let's do this. 3, 1, go. I'm doing right cross. It's really hard. None. Okay. No, I don't know. So that's red.
Hello? Hello?
Okay, finally, that's the first half
Meron
12.
ba yung Sunday cone? Sunday cone.
It's really dark.
Hindi ka nagsaserve. O sige, isang cheeseburger.
Burger po.
Oo. Tapos,
Yung price ng po ba natin ba? Mag 15 lang po yun.
pag large? Medium? O sige, medium na lang.
May additional order pa lang.
Wala na, yun lang.
This is gonna take like a minute for me to do.
Okay, 150
Don't you want the ice cream you want? You want sundae? You want sundae?
No thanks.
Ha?
No thanks.
Bakit ka kakain ha? Inopen mo na?
Yeah.
Malambot ba?
No, this is like the Rubik's one.
Malambot, hindi.
Nope.
Sandali ah. Malambot ba?
No.
That's GoPro? That's GoPro?
No, this is the Rubik's. Okay, finally I'm done with F2L. Okay, this is really hard to do non-finger tricks. Okay, let's just do F2L. It's so weird doing
3,000 nag-calculate ka ng 6
Rubik's brand.
Si Freddy pala
What's this? Oh, J perm. I know the lefty J perm, but I'm just doing this one. And there you go. So if you want better lighting, just go into my other channel, which will I tell you, it's named RG Cube. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a review on, cause yeah. Also the flagship 3x3, which again, Pro. Where in the world is that? Oh yeah, I'm using it for here. But I'm gonna be unboxing this on RG Cubes also. But this one I just unboxed it here because got it. Also, you may ask where I got it. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just kidding. But really, it's really cool. But I got it from like America or something. I don't know. So I did not buy this. My first turns on this were pretty bad, but yeah, if I was in better lighting, I wouldn't have seen more. And I do not recommend this for speed cubing. But the Canon 11M Pro. Ooh, let's see that boy. Oh, it has black internals. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna do this in better lighting, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.